These are the tools required in order to carry out the power supply replacement. So I highly recommend step one, grabbing any generic brand drill machine. PS5 has a lot of different types of screws. It'll make your job a lot easier if you grab any generic brand drill machine. Next, you need a long head Torx T8 security with a hole in it, and it must be a long head so that it can go in one of those deeper screw hole areas, for example this, so it will go in easily. Next, a Phillips 00 screw bit or screwdriver, a plastic pry opening tool, any generic compartment screw holding box like these. It will help a lot to put different types of screws in different compartments. Next, you need a brand new power supply and a marker. Marker is to mark down different types of screws where they go. You don't have to, but if you have any other color coding scheme, you can use that. So this helps a bit. Alright, let's get going. Let's open up your PS5. Step 1, opening up the side panels. So just look for this PS logo. So we'll be lifting up from this side and the bottom panel from this side. So lifting up and sliding it to the left. So lift up, lift up from here. Next, grab your plastic pry opening tool and we will be taking out our fan grill. Next, remove the fan cover. Disconnect the fan power cable, so gently rock back and forth and take it out. Next, we'll be removing the 4 fan screws. So there's 2 medium screws on this side, long screw here and 1 short one. So take it all off. So I keep all the fan screws with the fan. It just makes it easy when you're assembling the console. Next, remove the SSD bay cover. Grab Phillips 00 screwdriver and take it out. Next, we'll be lifting up our top cover. In order to do that, so these 5 screws. So there's 2 long screws here. There's 2 medium screws in this corner, and then there is 1 Blu-ray drive screw. So this set is different to the remaining 6 screws on the left side. So these 6 screws are of similar length. So let's take this side first. Remove the 2 medium screws and remove this Blu-ray drive screw. So next, take out these 6 screws on the left side. Peel off the warranty sticker. It's already out of warranty. This console has some expandable SSD installed in it, so let's take it out. So in order to do that, we need to take out this screw and the spacer with it. Slide it out. Next, press and hold. Press it here and try to lift up your top cover from here. You do not want to lift up the Blu-ray drive. There is 2, the data cable and the power cable is connected to the motherboard. So hold here and gently pull it up. Next, we'll be taking out the Blu-ray drive. So remove this flex cable and the Blu-ray drive power cable. So press on this tab. Next, we'll be disconnecting these 2 flex cables and 4 antenna cables. These antenna cables are labeled, so the white one goes here. It's written there blue, black and white. Next, we'll be removing the heatsink silver plate. So there's 30 screws here. So there's 4 screw holes. So just I've already marked it down. So these, remember, there's no screws that go here. So 1, 2, and there's 2 and 3. So the remaining 30 screws, let's take these 30 screws off. So just double check this, there should be no screws. So lift up this panel. You can disconnect this power board cable right now. Press on this tab and take it out. We should be able to lift apart the silver heatsink plate. So gently pull it up. Remove the heatsink clamps. Next, there are 3 more screws that's holding the motherboard. So there's 2 silver screws and 1 black screw here. So take these off. So there's 2 more screws on the other side. So let's take those 2 screws off. So 1, 2. Okay, we should be able to lift up our motherboard now. This comes off. Next, we'll be removing this bottom plate. There's 8 silver screws here and 1 black screw here. So take this off. Next, you can just pull up the power supply from here. Alright, grab your new power supply unit and just these 2 prongs, and that's the position for it. So slide it in. Next, grab your bottom plate and place it in. So it goes this way. Next, we'll be placing the 8 silver screws here and 1 black screw that goes here. Next, grab your motherboard and place it in. So align these 2 power supply pin holes here and the socket goes that way. Next, grab your heatsink clamps and place it in. Next, we'll be connecting the power board cable, so gently press and hold this tab and place it in. Next, we'll be connecting the 2 flex cables. Next, grab your heatsink silver plate and place it in. Place this metal piece. Now, except for these 4 screw holes, place the 30 silver screws. Just make sure there's no screws on these 4 screw holes. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, we'll be connecting the 4 antenna cables. Next, we'll be placing our Blu-ray drive. Connect the data cable and the power cable. So press and hold on this tab and slide this cable in. Next, grab your top cover and we'll be placing the top cover. Another word of advice, so just quickly check these, a visual check on these screw holes, that there are no screws. If you have accidentally put screws in there, so just take it off and do it all over again. Next, so this right side, so there's 2 long screws, 2 medium screws and 1 silver screw here, and this left side has 6 similar length screws. So let's put all these screws back. Place the 6 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we'll be placing the fan. Connect the fan power cable. So place the long screw that go here, 2 medium screws, and the last small one is there. Put back the fan cover, flip it over. We have 2 screws at the back, so let's place these 2 screws. Next we'll be placing our fan grill. Alright, let's place our SSD. So grab your spacer first. So the spacer goes in there, and your SSD. Slide it in. Place the SSD bay cover. Next, flip it and look for this PS logo. Grab the top plate. So grab the top plate and align this with this, and these are the pointy holes, so they slide that way. Place it in. One done. Flip it. That's your Blu-ray drive. So again, the pointy holes, they slide that way. All done.